one is going to come and defend our country except ourselves. A loud and clear no to corruption by whomsoever.
Sikhala condemns online abuse of women opposition activists. The 24th of August 2025, opposition politician Job Sikhala has condemned the growing trend of online abuse targeting women activists, describing it as a cowardly tactic meant to silence female voices. Sikhala was reacting to a social media post by a user identified as Mandangwani, who insulted opposition activist Lynn Staksha by linking her to the late former Prime Minister Morgan T. Tsvangirai. The former Zenjaza West legislator said such attacks were the most unsophisticated and stupid method of suppressing women's participation in politics. The most unsophisticated and stupid method to drown a woman from speaking out her mind is to label her here and all undignified descriptions, bordering on private parts and a whole lot of nonsense. It's generally done by the ghosts. I have seen it done on quite a number of women like Fadzi Maher, Linda Masarira, and a whole lot of them, Sikhala said. He urged women to resist such bullying, stressing that they have the right to engage in any form of public life. It's time women stand up to this bullying bordering on undermining the female gender. Women have every right to engage in any form of public life they want. They are entitled to do whatever they want with their lives. No one is a prefect for people's lives. They have every right to do as they wish and want in life, he added. Sikhala said gender-based insults amounted to cowardice, dismissing those behind anonymous accounts as weak. Throwing aspersions on the grounds of their gender is cowardice. True men don't hide behind ghost accounts. They come out open and speak their mind. This demonstrates the kind of cowards we have among men who come in the form of ghost accounts to silence the voices of women through stupid labels. He defended Staksha, Maher, and Masarira, saying they were not prostitutes and had every right to pursue their politics, opinions, and public engagement.